So we're at United Flight Systems. We have our 70th anniversary 172 right here. It's a brand new plane for their flight school. We're gonna be polishing it up and putting our ALFA ceramic coating on this thing. Let's go.
Hey there, fellow aviators and detailers. Welcome to my channel, The Plane Detailer, where we embark on an incredible journey around the globe, diving deep into the art of aircraft detailing. I'm Brandon, owner of Sparrowhawk Houston and a proud trainer for the Aviation Detailing Association, known as the ADA. Join me as we explore the world of aviation and I share tips, tricks, and techniques to keep these antique beauties in pristine condition. Let me be your guide as we go about preserving these magnificent flying machines that are truly pieces of art. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button to follow along on this adventure. Let's preserve the legacy of these aircraft together, one detail at a time. Today we're working on a brand new Cessna 172, one of the most popular aircraft in general aviation. Even straight from the factory, every plane can benefit from professional paint enhancement and protection. Our goal here is to maximize gloss, clarity, and long-term preservation with our 5-year ALFA ceramic. Now you're probably asking, Brandon, why does this thing need a paint enhancement? It's a brand new paint job straight from the factory. And that's absolutely right. Factory paint jobs are good, but they're not flawless. Light imperfections, minor swirls, and surface contaminants are common. A paint enhancement polish is all about perfecting that finish, removing any little bit of issues that are on there, boost that shine, and prepping the surface for a high performance ceramic coating. Now every job starts with a thorough wash and decontamination, especially when we're going to polish here. Even though this plane is brand new, it only flew from the factory here. We just have a little bit of bugs that we're going to be taking off here. We're using our Skyglide water-based cleaners to safely remove any dirt, oil, and grime bugs. Next, we're going to clay bar the paint to eliminate any embedded contaminants that washing alone can't touch. This is critical for a flawless final result.
So what this plane is getting here is an enhancement polish. So basically all we're doing, you have brand new paint and they finish it out from the factory. Usually it's finished out with a rotary, so you just want to come by and really finish it out with a DA, make sure there's no holograms in there. So it's really just getting an enhancement polish, gloss this thing up really good, very lightly, very quickly hitting everything. Not like a full true paint correction where I'm trying to remove oxidation, remove scratches. There are like literally no scratches in this paint, so it's a really, really, really nice. Don't want to take off anything on the decals at all, so we're just going over everything very quickly, gloss this thing up, prep it, get it ready to be coated.
Now with the surface prep, we move into the polishing stage. Here we're using our Rupes Bigfoot 21 polisher. It's a dual action polisher, and we're using our Rupes compounds as well to gently remove micro scratches and restore maximum gloss. And the goal is to enhance, not aggressively correct, so we're preserving as much paint as possible. If you guys would like more information about proper aircraft detailing, or if you're a detailer that would like to get into the aircraft detailing realm, we have classes available with the ADA, the Aviation Detailing Association. And we're very passionate about educating owners, pilots, and other detailers on proper aircraft preservation.
We're not just plane washers, we're certified and insured detailing specialists when it comes to aircraft. Our last ADA training class was held at Jet Access in Dallas at their newest training facility, their newest FBO. And our next ADA training class is going to be in September at their headquarter facility in Indianapolis, Indiana. You're not going to want to miss it. Those dates are linked on our website at the aviation-detailing-association.com. Also in our description as well, we have links to all of our website and to see all of our future events coming up.
All right, everything on this 172 has been polished and prepped. Now we lay the sauce, the ALFA.
And ceramic coatings are literally a game changer for aircraft owners. They dramatically reduce washing time, they make bug and soot removal very simple, and they keep the paint looking new for years to come. Also, with annual inspections, we keep the warranty active and the finish at its absolute best.
I'll take a few moments here and explain the difference in all three of our coatings and which one you should be looking at depending on what type of plane owner you are. Our 1-year Charlie ceramic coating is great for those that are not looking to keep their plane very long, looking to get rid of their plane, might want to just clean it up before they sell it. Great option because then you can sell your plane as a ceramic coated plane, get a little bit more value out of your plane. Now, if you're looking at a 2-year option, you probably have your plane for a little bit of time. You're not thinking how long you're going to keep it for. You might be in the market of getting a new plane. The 2-year option is a perfect option for you. Now, our ALFA coating is going to be for those customers that just bought their plane, just got their plane painted, or they're looking to keep their plane long term. This is going to be the coating for you, our 5-year ALFA coating.
Now this ALFA coating is our most advanced formula. It's engineered for maximum durability. It has the most amount of high solids out of all of our coatings. It has the best UV protection and slickness. It literally forms a long-lasting shield that resists chemicals, bird droppings, and environmental fallout. The difference in all of our coatings is just the amount of high solids that are in each coating that make it last more durable. So our 1-year coating is going to have less high solids. It's going to just make that coating last right at to a year, maybe a little bit longer depending on how well you maintain your plane. Our 2-year Bravo coating is great for those that just got a plane. They don't want to spend a whole bunch of money to really protect it long term. They might not keep the plane long term. That's a great coating for you. If you have a brand new plane or brand new paint job, don't even think about the 1 or 2 year coatings. Go with the 5-year ALFA coating because it's going to be your best protection possible. The great thing about this 172 is it's like one of the first times we've actually been able to see a brand new 172. You know, mostly all these have been being shipped overseas as soon as they're done, so it's been really nice to see a brand new one stay right here in the States.
Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you guys in the next one.